Well, hello, 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 guys. I wanted to say thank you for coming. My name is Lorena Belcher, and I am the CEO of Her Story Reimagined Heal, Emerge, Recreate Your Story. Let me tell you a little bit about me. I can't believe that I have taught over 965 students. I have written two books. I can't believe it. I'm still surprised and astonished that I was an associate marriage and family therapist. Also, guys, my wild career days, I was a police officer for the city of Los Angeles. Yeah, but what people don't know is that as a young girl, I didn't feel like I had a voice. From early days of my parents, where there was arguing in the house and just discord, from being at school feeling very, very awkward until ultimately my parents divorced. And gosh, my hair fell out, guys. So right now, I am so digging my hair, and it's all by choice. But mind you, so many years ago, over 50 years ago, this was not in style. And so that really kind of took a hit of my self belief in myself. All the feelings about your self esteem, self love, they were in the toilet for the most part. And then, it just plummeted seemingly from there. Not really great relationships, but there came a time when I remembered a few teachers had said a few things to me. They told me that I had value, that I was important. And even there's one, uh, there were many church services that my mom took me to as a kid, but this one in particular, guys, in the city of Los Angeles, there was the mayor of Los Angeles who was a black man, Mayor Tom Bradley. I think I was 9. And all I remember from that is he had us chanting at the end of his message, his talk, I am somebody. I am somebody. And so I'm really, really blessed and fortunate to hold on to that. And then I had a college professor tell me that me, I should write for our college newspaper. And I went to Tuskegee University. It was Tuskegee Institute then. And so I'm just still so shocked by it all. But I finally realized, after really relationships that didn't serve me, guys, after being sexually assaulted at 17, just things that didn't go well, I finally found my voice. I finally realized just how important and valuable I really am. I started thinking about what did I think, say, and think about myself. What were the words that I was speaking to myself? And so that's how I ended up writing this latest book on affirmations, guys. And an affirmation is you are telling yourself who you are in this moment. You're not talking about the circumstances, you're not talking about what you want in the future. You are speaking about who you are. Just like when I was 9, I remembered I am somebody. And so, right now, guys, I'd like to share with you, I'd like to ask you actually, like to share with you my book, Yes, Girl, Yes, You Can, Affirmations to Elevate Your Self Talk. It's on Amazon, and I'll give you a link for that a little later. But I want to ask you 3 questions, okay? 3 questions. And before I ask you the questions, guys, I want to ask you, what are you saying to yourself? Are the words lifting you up, or are they putting you down? When you look in the mirror, and so I have a very old mirror, very old mirror. This mirror is my grandmother's mirror, guys. So it holds a very special place in my heart. It's old and you can barely see in it, but if I look in it really hard, I can find something really special. So, what do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you say to yourself? And how can you change the words you speak about yourself? And that's what I want to do with you guys today is to talk about affirmations. The book is in 5 categories: identity, self awareness, wellness. How do you take care of yourself? Finances. Some of you may not have money right now, but maybe you can earn money around the house. You can start saving. You can start investing. You can start a little business of your own. You can get creative. You have so many things within you already. So, yeah, what do you say to yourself when you look in the mirror? And then that last category, guys, after finances is relationships. And the most important relationship is the one with yourself. Yeah, it's you. Because when you have a great relationship with yourself, you get a chance to see people in a different light. You're more compassionate, you have more grace because you have compassion and grace for yourself. You're loving on you, so it becomes easier to love on somebody else. And so I invite you guys today to think about who you are. The example I gave earlier was I am somebody. Let's get specific. You might be dealing with, for me, I'll use myself as an example. I was feeling like, oh, I'm not very pretty. My hair fell out. I was feeling a lot of as a teen at 13. Guess what, guys? Grandpa, my grandfather, we called him Dida. He bought my first bra. I could not go to 7th grade in a t-shirt. Okay. So that was not happening. And so I remember that fond memory, guys. And I want to talk about your identity. So at the time, I couldn't say I'm beautiful, but I could tell myself I am unique and I am special, even if it was hard to believe at that time. Because once we keep affirming ourselves, we start sitting up a little taller. We start standing up straight. We start looking at ourselves a little bit differently. We start seeing things a little differently in that mirror. So, yeah, I'd like you to take the time to sit with a mirror. And I'd like you to say 3 things about yourself. 3 things that you are. I am smart. I am beautiful. I can understand school. If you have to flip it around, oh, I'm not very pretty. I'm unique and I am special. So take some time and come up with 3 things that you can say about yourself. Not what you will, but who you are, who you are becoming. I'm a great student. I know how to ask questions. I can ask for help. I'm a kind human being. I'm a great friend. All right, guys. So I want to leave you with that. And I'm going to come back and check and see how you're doing. Okay. So I want you to think highly of yourself, affirm yourself because you are valuable. You are worthy. Take care. Toodles.